In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the management reporting features in your financial software to create insightful and tailored reports. This will empower you to make informed business decisions by understanding your cash flow and profit and loss statements more clearly. Let's dive in. First, let's start by getting to the Reports section. This is typically found in the main navigation menu of your software. Once you've located the menu, look for the option labeled Reports. Clicking on that will display a list of different report categories that are available to you. Among these categories, you'll want to select Management Reports. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and analyze your business's financial performance. Once you are in the Management Reports section, you will see a variety of report types available. Here you can choose which reports you'd like to customize. For our purposes today, let's focus on two very common and essential reports, the cash flow report and the profit and loss or P&L statement. Customizing these reports to fit your needs is crucial, as each business has its unique requirements and focus areas. Locate the cash flow report first. Most softwares allow you to adjust the date ranges to capture the specific time period you're interested in analyzing. You might want to look at a quarterly comparison, for example, or perhaps a year-to-date overview, depending on what insights you're seeking. Once you've set the date range, look into any other customization options available. This could include filtering the report by specific transactions or departments, depending on your software's capabilities. Next, it's time to move on to the profit and loss statement. Similar to the cash flow report, start by selecting the appropriate date range to ensure you're capturing the right period of time. Additionally, you can look into segmenting this report by different revenue streams, cost centers, or even projects to get a more granular view of how each aspect of your business is performing. Now that you've customized your reports, generating them is straightforward. Look for a button that might say Generate or Run Report. Clicking this will create the report based on the parameters you've set up. Take a moment to review the generated report to ensure it looks how you expect. Once you're satisfied with your reports, you'll likely want to either export or share them. Most platforms have export options that allow you to download these reports as PDF or Excel files so you can easily include them in your presentations or reports. Alternatively, you can share the report directly by sending it via email to interested stakeholders. By following these steps, you should be able to tailor and generate customized management reports with ease, equipping you with the detailed insights you need to drive business success. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more insightful tutorials in future videos.